Hello everyone, in today's video, we will make new colors by mixing soft, colorful clay. First, we are mixing red and yellow. Let's see which color they form. That's orange color. Now let's mix yellow and blue.
Mixing clay is so relaxing. Yellow and blue makes green.
Time for pink and orange.
Mix, mix, mix.
That's peachy peachy. Now blue mixes with red.
And action!
It's purple. Let's add green to pink. Thank you so much. That's matcha green. More red and green now?
Brown color, here it is.
Mix orange and blue color now.
This makes gray color.
Mixing purple and yellow now.
That's mauve color.
Please like, share, and subscribe. And press the bell icon.